this resource pack that we have from Hometessori. So I've printed off some of the nomenclature cards. This is the instruction sheet that comes with it, clearly showing you how to make it. There's also a lesson plan and then the cards that you make yourself and prepare ready for the child. So this is I'm going to call this a city set. Okay. So here are our cards. Really important to print them off neatly, cut them out straight and then laminate them. We have one set that has the picture and the words. Then we have just the pictures and just the words. So we ask the child to sit down with us. Here's my child this morning. He said, "Good morning, Roman."
Good morning.
Hello. So I'm just going to show everybody, Roman, how we do these. So first of all, we place out the complete card. They are traffic lights, aren't they? Here we go.
Can I take one traffic
Here we go. You're going to
light?
sit here with me. I'm showing everyone how to do them. And then what we have to do next, Roman, is we match the pictures. So look. No. Oh, it's this one. It's a building. Let's see if we can match the next one. It's road signs. There we go. Oh, this one. Let's see if we can match the road. Road. A pedestrian crossing. So in some countries this is called the sidewalk. In the UK it's called a path. And our very last one is the traffic lights. So we've matched the pictures. So now we are going to match the words. See them? Go on then. You have a look. You would like to have the traffic lights. Okay, you take that one then. And I will show everyone how we match the words. So for the child, they're not reading, they're matching. They might notice some individual letters. But we're matching the whole shape of the two words. Traffic light, that's the one you've got. Here we go. You have that word. That word says, those words say traffic light. Okay. Oh. Road signs.
There's also one of these ones.
You've got those ones, haven't you?
Right, stop and then go.
There. So now we'll show everybody we have matched the pictures and the words from our city set. Lovely, and now we can pack them away.